This is LeetCode question number 155, means that this is easy question. This is one of famous question. So please check it very carefully. Okay, design a stack that support push, pop, top, and retrieving the minimum element in the constant time. Push X, push element X onto stack. Pop, remove the element on top of the stack. No return. Top, get the top element. Do not remove. Get min, retrieve minimum element in stack. Okay, let's check. Push must be constant because just get the value and then append to the stack. Pop also constant because just doing stack pop operation. Top also constant because just get recently saved data. But get min is different because if you get minimum value in the stack, we need to iteration one time. How we can solve it? Because question require the constant time. Okay, we need one idea. Idea is when stack save the value, we need to also save the additional information, minimum value. And then after that, when you put each time, minimum value also saved, so we can easy to get minimum value each time, even the popping the data. Did it make sense? Okay, let's implement it. Okay, first we need the stack, self, stack. I will use array. Next pop, and then we need the minimum value. Initialize with X argument we just received. And then if self stack exists, and then I will compare it minimum value with stored data, stored the minimum value. So min value is min value with self stack -1 just to save, and then minimum value I will store to 1, and then I will push self stack append. I will put as tuple X with minimum value. Pop is just remove, so stack self stack pop, and then in this case top we need to return the last input value, so self stack -1 and value is 0. Get min is also the self stack -1 just, and then minimum is 1. Okay, let's check the code. Alright, looks good. Submit. In this time complexity is init operation constant, push constant, pop constant, top constant, get min constant, and then we need linear space. Thank you.